I'm sure you've heard the news. Small spaces can be stylish too. Let's transform your tiny bathroom with 2024's top design tips. First up, ditch the dull and go for bold. Deep, rich colors like navy and emerald are in this year. They add depth and make your space feel luxurious. Next, maximize natural light. Swap out heavy curtains for sheer blinds or frosted glass. You'll be amazed at how much bigger your bathroom feels. Don't forget about storage. Floating shelves and built-in niches are perfect for keeping things tidy without eating up space. And finally, it's all about the details. Think gold fixtures and geometric tiles for that modern chic vibe. With these 2024 design trends, you'll turn your tiny bathroom into a stylish sanctuary. Ready to start your makeover? Let's do this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips.